So in this video, you'll learn how to navigate back to the home screen on CapCut PC. So as you can see, you don't see a clear-cut option of how you can navigate back to the home screen. So wherever you look, you can't see an option to just click and go back to home. But if you want to go back to the home screen, whether it's to open a new project or to open an older project that you want to work on, then learning how to do this is very important. So to do that, you want to start by looking for menu in your top left corner, and you want to click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you should see this option, back to homepage. Once you select it, CapCut will close and reopen, not even a second later, and once it reopens, you'll be brought back to your home screen. So let's try that. So back to homepage, close and reopen, and you can see we've successfully navigated back to the home screen. So from here, if you have any other older projects, you can just select them. You can click on create project. You can restore any deleted projects. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.